Are you ready to take your presentations from basic to breathtaking? Are you ready to learn PowerPoint software from basic to advanced for free? Would you like to be able to create motion graphics with PowerPoint? Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to polish your skills, you have come to the right place. Hey everyone, welcome to bestaphic YouTube channel. I'm Masume Shariflu. And I'm very excited to introduce you to the PowerPoint Masterclass, PowerPoint software training course that teaches you from basic to advanced PowerPoint for free. To see the tutorials for free, just click the subscribe button and become a member of bestaphic YouTube channel. And I promise you that if you watch the videos from start to finish, you will fully learn how to use PowerPoint. In addition to the tutorials, we have also included numerous examples of creative slide designs and motion graphics made with PowerPoint on the bestaphic YouTube channel. These can inspire you in creating your own creative presentation slides and motion graphics using PowerPoint. Moreover, after posting the series of PowerPoint tutorials, we will also share videos on PowerPoint tips and tricks that will greatly help you in creating motion graphics and designing creative slides. So, to make sure you don't miss this opportunity and can learn PowerPoint for free, click the subscribe button right now, join the channel and watch the videos from start to end.